Seafile app: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for a secure cloud storage solution, the Seafile app promises file syncing, sharing, and collaboration. But how well does it perform? One of the biggest pros is security. Most people get this wrong by assuming all cloud storage services are equally safe. Seafile offers end-to-end encryption for files, ensuring that only you and authorized collaborators can access sensitive information. This makes it especially appealing for businesses or teams handling confidential data. Another advantage is efficient file syncing. The app supports incremental syncing, which means only changes in files are uploaded rather than the entire file. This reduces bandwidth usage and speeds up updates, particularly for large files. Seafile also excels in collaboration. You can share files or folders with team members, set permissions for viewing or editing, and even track version history. This helps prevent accidental overwrites and makes it easy to revert to earlier versions of a document. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app interface isn't as polished as competitors like Dropbox or Google Drive. Advanced features, such as server setup for self-hosted Seafile, can be complex for non-technical users. Additionally, certain integrations may require the premium version. In conclusion, the Seafile app provides a secure and efficient way to store, sync, and collaborate on files. The surprising truth is that while it prioritizes privacy and control, casual users may find the learning curve slightly steeper than other cloud services. For individuals or teams prioritizing data security and efficient file management, Seafile is a strong choice, but be prepared to invest some time in setup and familiarization.